in your hand. If you put the hand like this, must press the wiper. This is the switch for wiper, and here it is written pull. So you must using your finger, you must simply press like this, and you can see that the wiper is washing your screen. So it's very simple. Hope this video helps you. For more videos like this, subscribe and stay with Engineers Well Online. Thank you. So we can see that in this swift car, first if we put the key and all, and after that you can see that this side, this is the wiper switch, and here you can see the options. If you look clearly, you can see here it is written for okay, I'll show you. You can see here mist off in low, high, etc. And here it's also written pull. So if you want to press using your finger, you must press like this, you must simply pull like this. Then you can see that you can wash like this using wiper. So it is very simple. You must simply pull. So you must using your finger, you must simply press like this, and you can see that the wiper is